I'm at 52 Mitchell Street in Bangor. Mitchell Street is in the New Cape Out area. It's the old military housing when Dow Air Force Base was here. 52 Mitchell Street is a 3-bedroom. It is a 3-bedroom townhouse. This particular type of 3-bedroom does not have a basement. This is the kitchen. It does have the washer dryer hookup in the kitchen. This is still being worked on. It still does need to be cleaned, but you can see the setup. This has a little breakfast bar area, plenty of cupboard space, counter space. Has a new stainless fridge. New flooring in the kitchen here. New flooring in the living room, dining room combo. These are very spacious units. Again, they were built for families, military families. Again, it has that little space here. You could put some bar stools right here on this side. This could be a double living room, or it could be a dining room as well. It gets a lot of sun. Has a door here out into the backyard. You have a little bit of green space out here. You have a stoop here where you could put a gas grill if you wanted to. Mowing is included. Have a little bit of snow out there right now, but you have a little bit of grass space out there. Again, really spacious area here. Dining room, living room, or again, it could be a large living room area. You do have heat. Heat is included with the rent. Lots of closet space here. There's a little cubby right underneath the stairway. Closet right across. This has the hot water heater in it. And then another closet, which would be a coat closet typically. Plenty of room in there. And then back to the kitchen. This hallway is actually right across from the front entrance. And then upstairs you have 3 bedrooms, a full bath plus a half bath. So up here you have wood flooring. This is original wood flooring, but it's still in pretty good shape. It's parquet wood. This is the full bath. Actually, it has some renovations. It has a new tub surround. Has a new vanity and sink. Again, just been done, so it's hasn't been cleaned yet. I do have a medicine cabinet here. Right next to the bathroom, you have a nice big linen closet. And 3 bedrooms. This is the smallest of the 3 bedrooms. Really, really good size. A couple of windows, so again, a lot of light. Has a nice closet, good size. And even though it's the smallest, it really is a decent sized bedroom. It's not tiny. This is the 2nd bedroom. This one is a little bit larger. Again, really, really good size. You could get a king size bed in here if you had to. With still a little bit of room left over, although queen size or full would be a little bit better. Then you have this double closet plus a little bit of storage up above. And then you have what would be considered the master, which is a really, really large size. Again, king size in here, no problem. And then it has, again, the double closet, extra wide double closet, and the storage up above. And this comes with a half bath. So you've got a toilet and sink in here. And then kind of a little bench to sit on, or you could kind of set things on there, extra towels and so forth. And it does have a couple of windows. And this is a new vanity. Again, that's in the, what would be considered the master, although it wouldn't necessarily need to be. It is sort of the largest room here. So again, a lot of space, good-sized bedrooms, one full bath, one half bath upstairs. So it's pretty much ready to go. It does have a little bit of work left to do, not much, and then it does need a cleaning. So 52 Mitchell Street. Heat is included here, as well as water and sewer. The only thing tenant pays for is electric and internet. It's 52 Mitchell Street in Bangor. Close to the airport, Air National Guard base, close to shopping, doctor's offices and so forth, a very, very convenient location. If you're interested, visit our website at rentbangor.com or call 207-974-6606.